B syndrome, pain in both elbows. Female, age 40, complaint, pain in both elbows. This patient has a rural background. She is accustomed to hard physical labor and to carrying heavy loads for a considerable distance. 4 months ago, she carried a heavy weight of books for several hours to reach a bus stop. The same evening, both her elbows became very painful. The symptoms did not improve with rest, and since that time she has been unable to carry anything without severe pain, especially in the right elbow. The original injury occurred during the winter, but she could not associate the symptoms with cold weather. Local heat and massage have no effect on the pain. The patient is obese, but has previously enjoyed excellent health. Her appetite, sleep pattern, bowels, and urine are normal. On examination, there is obvious tenderness on the lateral epicondyles of the humerus. Worse on the right side, with bilateral local muscle tenderness. So tongue, normal color with a thin and slightly yellow coating. Pulse is sunken and moderate. Analysis of symptoms. Number 1, history of carrying a heavy weight for a long period means injury to the local tissue. Number 2, joint pain means obstruction of the channel. Number 3, sunken moderate pulse means poor circulation of qi and blood in the vessels. Basic theory of case. In Chinese medicine, stress, lao also known as consumption, is considered to be an important cause of disease. There are 3 types of stress: T-lao or physical stress, or mental stress, and or sexual stress. When either the individual have very different level of sexual need, or when both indulge in excessive sexual activity over a prolonged period. Generally speaking, these 3 types of stress are believed to cause internal disorders. But the pathological change and effect of the organ is different in each case. Physical stress, which occurs over a long period of time, means that the antipathogenic factor is eventually depleted, as there is never time for full recovery to occur after its consumption. The antipathogenic factor will become injured and disease will occur. A sudden burst of intense physical activity can also have the same result, especially in a person with a weak constitution. The pathological change in the case of physical stress is consumption of qi, which leads to an imbalance of yin and yang, as well as qi and blood, causing various disorders. Among the organ, it is most commonly the spleen that is affected, as the spleen controls the muscle and is responsible for producing qi and blood. And its early stage, yes, physical stress may give rise to symptoms such as lassitude and poor appetite. And its latter stages, this can become very severe, and the patient may become emaciated. Other organs may be affected by different kinds of physical stress. Example, too much talking may injure the lung qi and result in a reluctance to speak and shortness of breath. People who have to stand for a long period of time may injure the qi of the kidneys and may complain of weakness of lower limbs and aching in the bones. Thank you for your attention.